Have you ever wondered how you would fare against the best bass pros in the country?
Here's the cup, your champion, Bryan Thrift. Wow! Bryan Thrift won nearly $3 million with FLW. He's been on the FLW tour for 13 years. He's made 13 cups. In those 13 FLW cups, he has 10 top 10 championship Sundays. He's an FLW Tour record holder, most top 10s on the FLW Tour, most consecutive.
You up to the scale. Let's get these two great champions side by side. Started today with 37 pounds, 14.
Your champion, the Quaker State Pro, Matt Arey.
Look at him, dude.
Yeah! Woo!
Hey guys, myself and Matt Arey are here on Moss Lake, and we are filming a little East versus West Coast shootout with the Bass Hookup.
Yeah, Bass Hookup with Thomas and Nick, and we are, it's Veterans Day. So first and foremost, we want to thank all the veterans out there for their service. If it wasn't for y'all, we would not be standing on this boat deck doing what we love to do for a living, and we've been blessed to do that for many, many years. We have actually switched. I think we're gonna give Thomas and Nick a little
curveball.
Yeah, we threw a little curveball. We were supposed to go to Lake Norman. Well, long story short, Lake Norman's notorious for numbers of fish. Moss is a little bit tougher. You typically don't get as many numbers. Size-wise, it's about the same. So we just wanted to challenge ourselves and give Nick and Thomas a little chance today.
Yeah, I mean, they're only in like California, the big bass capital of the world. I'm sure they're gonna catch a giant on a swim bait, but we're gonna try to beat them.
I felt like for the past 3 or 4 days, you know, we've been planning this, that we're getting set up. You know,
I think so too. I think they're setting us up for failure.
Yeah, East versus West. Here we go. Y'all wish us luck.
That's right, guys. We get to compete against two of the top bass anglers in the world. Bryan Thrift, Forest Wood Cup champion, MLF champion, Angler of the Year. I mean, the list goes on and on. Matt Arey, FLW champion, runner-up in the 2021 Bassmaster Classic. And these guys are top competitors. So it's it's an honor to get to fish against them. And today, as a special Veterans Day episode, we're getting to do that. And how we have it set up is they're back on the East Coast, so it's East versus West, Pro versus Joe. I mean, we fish, but we're not on that level at all. So it's pretty cool. They are on Lake Norman, and that's their home lake. So we picked a comparable lake here on the West Coast, so we're on Lake Berryessa. Each lake takes around 12 to 15 pounds to win, which is, you know, a good sack. Either one of them could put out bigger bags, but this time of year, it's November 11th, and I think it's going to take probably 12 to 15 pounds. So come along with us on this episode and see if we can win this challenge. How we're doing it too is we're weighing each fish. It's the 5 biggest fish. 5 biggest fish, but we're going to weigh each one at a time and release them right back into the lake so we're not harming them at all. So should be fun. Super excited to fish against these guys. So let's go.
Okay.
Do it. One jump. Do it. One jump. All we do.
Here, you have to put it down. I'm picking it up. It's a team player.
Not that far. Look at this green grass.
See this, guys? That is the grass we're looking for right there. It's nice, clean, right there.
We have our first nibble, actually our second nibble. Bryan has a better ratio than me.
grouper. Fish number 1, Thomas.
And I hope y'all didn't use a net. If you did, you're disqualified.
Fish number 1. Where's the scales, Matt?
No, they're down there on your tackle.
Ooh, I hope y'all are catching them, because we're just getting started.
So we need to log that in our phone, right?
Yeah, let me make sure the scales are zeroed. Yes. All right, Matt, come here and confirm the weight.
Well, you gonna show it to the 110.
110. 110. Lock it in. And this is an MLF style format, so we're weighing, releasing.
I thought they. Oh, but we're tallying our best 5, right?
Yeah, but we're still counting our best 5.
Got it.
All right, we got a 110.
Ah. One nibbled my blade.
Oh, Matt just got a nibble. You know, what we're fishing here is a little offshore drop off. It's got a little bit of scattered brush. Matt's throwing his signature series. What's it called, Matt?
Spinning PJ.
Spinning PJ from Pulse Fish. And I am throwing a 4-inch Demiki Armor Shad swim bait on a 1/4 ounce jig head. I've got it on 10-pound P-line tactical fluorocarbon, and it's just a slow, methodical retrieve. But that swim bait's got a nice tight action, especially in the fall when the fish are kind of lethargic and don't really want to bite. You kind of have to force feed them. That Armor Shad does a great job.
There, you see the little
Because the grass goes way out.
spots out there? Yeah. Yeah, we got to keep looking for that. That might be.
That's why this cove was always really good.
Ooh, another one. Dude, that's a bass. Do you hear that pop? That one right there? Dude, it popped like a bass, like a tuna.
See what it looks like on the
Oh,
oh, you got one.
there he is. There he is.
Go, baby.
Oh, nice one. Come on now. He swallowed it, dude. Get it out there. Cast out there. There's more. Dude, he swallowed it. Look at that. Swallowed it. Oh my gosh. Choked it, guys. Choked it. That, son, that's the way to start. See, in order to be the best in the world, you better go for largemouth. Can't just be catching spots. Dude, they're loaded out there. What do we got? What do we got? 2.15. 2.15, number 1. 2.15. Right there, number 1. I'm gonna write it down. Let's let her go. Cool. That was fast. Leave that thing out. I might catch him.
Got him. Got him. He's fat though. Look how fat he is.
He's been eating.
Caught his bass.
That ain't doing us much good, but we gotta weigh it. Let's see. He's 14 or not. Yeah. Where's our
I
scale?
didn't say its size.
Ruin the brush pile. Number 2. Let me record it.
weight tally.
1.9.
We're on a good pound.
1.9. I don't know why my text is different sizes,
Expect him to be out there.
but 1.9.
Right in the weeds too. That's where he was close to the dang weeds. There's like weed clumps out there. And gravel. Oh gosh! Got him! Ooh, it's a nice one. Yeah, dude. Gosh, he popped it. Jeez, he popped it. No, I'm gonna swing it.
Sure.
Yep, got it. Dude, nice-in. A nice-in. About the same as the last one. Whew. Dude, they're out there. They're loaded, dude. I don't know. I can't tell if that one's recorded. How can you tell? You can't. Dude, that's better than the last one, I think. Oh, it's loaded. Here we go. Here we go. Bryan, Matt, you better be catching them. It's loaded. You better weigh him fast. Get off the dang thing here. Oh, see? Is it a good one? Oh, I got to weigh it fast. Here we go.
Oh, better than yours.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, yes.
Good one. Look at this.
Put him in here. Ooh, that's a fatty.
Nice one.
Oh, he's not that bad, is he? Oh, it's a largemouth. Isn't that a weird looking dude? We got 3. Dude, they wouldn't bite a jig, they wouldn't bite a swim bait, and I threw that little Demiki vault in there and caught one on the first cast.
Is that our kicker?
No, he's a 1/8. We got a 1/8.
Working on 7 pounds.
Yes, sir. We got 3 though, coming for you.
2 6-pounders from your dad.
Doing good, bud.
All right, 2 and 260. I got it.
Get another one. Here we go.
Throw the topspin out there.
1/8. We're on them.
I mean, I don't know. You're in charge of that sucker. Guys, I'll quickly go over the setup for this jig in the LV. So that's what we're doing right now. Caught a few already this morning, just jigging or yo-yoing an LV 500. And so what we're doing is, you know, generally when you throw a rattle type bait, 7 foot, 7'2", 4, 7'4", medium heavy action, you know, straight fluoro, 15 to 20 pound test on a straight retrieve. But when you're yo-yoing, you want something with a little extra length. And so like these rods that we're using right now are like 7'10", 7'11s around a medium action rod with that the bend goes all the way to the butt of the rod. And then what I like to do is I'll use braid for this setup because you're making a long cast, the bait's way out there and down, and when you get popped when it's falling, you want to be able to just dig right into the hook set. So I have a 30-pound P-line X braid to a 15-pound tactical fluorocarbon leader, and it's about, you know, 5 feet long on the leader. And then it's like a ghost Wakasagi or ghost chartreuse shad LV 500, and they're eating it. Let's get some more. Cast way out that way and see. It seemed like most of our bites were coming like as you approached this point. They were like way out off the point. Oh, little guy. Jeez. How about that?
I didn't know that was possible.
I have never caught a bass so small. Yo-yoing an LV500. That is a tiny one.
You said that was the half? That sounded pretty good. Nothing like one bowl here and there, huh? Is it a 112? Hey, the keeper.
Oh, bouncing off the side of the boat.
Body slamming. Right off the Toyota logo.
Oh, we're on the little ones. On the little ones.
Well, we can fill our limit here.
This looks like another 1.5. Let's see what we got.
I'm gonna go 1.6.
1.6. Oh, we both are on. We got a 1.3.
Oh, wow.
We got a 1.3.
That's not strong.
That is not strong. But we're getting bit. What we're fishing here is a little rock drop off. And when we first pulled up on it, I was throwing a swim bait. Matt was throwing a jig, and we could see some. Picked up the little 1/2 ounce Demiki Vault. Caught 3 on it so far in the last 10 minutes, throwing it on 10-pound P-line tactical fluorocarbon. I've got it on a 7-foot medium heavy Fitzgerald Stunner rod with an Abu Garcia Revo MGX. It's a great bait for when fish get on small shad, when they're kind of hard to get to bite. Like I said, we pulled up and threw a swim bait and a jig and got no bites. Picked up this little thing and got 3 bites very quickly. So another little tip to add to your arsenal when fishing's tough in the fall. Downsize, a little Demiki Vault, get you some bites.
LV?
Look at the weed pump right there.
Yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah, you see it on the grass. Oh really?
Yep.
Oh
Reeling, dude.
yes.
Just reeling.
Ooh. 1 pounder.
All right, here we go. Yeah, that's a good job, dude. Might be 2.
It's a little one.
Might be 2-pounder.
It'll help. It'll help the cause. Oh, that's probably a 2-pounder. Probably a 2-pounder. Go ahead.
Door off.
Uh-oh. Weeding. I gotta get...
Hey, might be our biggest one today.
But that is number 5.
That like one bit that's separating down there following it.
Be still.
Ooh. Got him? Got him?
Yep.
Biggin. Biggin.
Let's see what he weighs.
Biggin.
Keeper number 5.
Dude.
We got
Big.
5 now, Thomas.
Come on now.
Culling. We got to cull a lot.
Really?
too.
Oh, dude.
Ooh,
yeah.
it's a. Is it nice?
Yeah, it is. It
Come
is.
on, swing him in the boat.
Ooh, a 1.9.
It was barely hooked.
They're gonna 1.3.
Bigger than 1.3.
Spot lock.
Come here. I got him.
On, boys.
But we got 5.
That sucker. You give it to me.
Grab the line.
No, I don't like that. I ain't gonna rub the line. He ain't even that big though. He's dude. Look at
Line fish.
2-pounder.
2-pounder. Hey.
Hey, we found him though. Another spot.
Now.
Gotta move around. Gotta move around. Keep finding them. There we go. Nice one. 2-pounder. See what goes. That's number 4. What do you think? 2.2.
2-pounder.
2.2. That's what I'm gonna say. Man, they're. 2.10.
Gotta have sharp hooks on that thing, because he hit it coming towards us and it still got hooked. I didn't even get a hook set on him really.
There we go.
You got 4?
That's 4. Got snags. Like the ideal spot. Ooh, got him. Oh, there he is. There he is. Ooh. Oh,
Oh my God.
They're going crazy. Did anyone see that? So now they're here. They're on this point, guys.
Found some fish.
Found it. Oh my gosh. Can I make a cast?
Oh my gosh. All right, there's one. Got to weigh him.
Hey, that might pull 1-3.
Hey, it'll cool a 1-3.
Oh, we're on them now.
Dude, I come off the end of that rock and he absolutely clobbered it.
No. Oh, no.
Hey, Matt's back in the game.
See what happens when you get on a jig bite.
Dang it. Ooh, that's a decent one right there. It's fatty.
Brian,
Golly.
we have a 111.
All right. Let's see. Where's the at?
111.
That's my
111.
that's my LV.
2 pounds exactly.
Are you serious?
Yep.
I feel like
2
we're
pounds
not
exactly.
in any danger quite yet.
Gotta get back in there. 2 pounds.
All right, let me record that monster. Is that our biggest? That's our biggest. So
2 ounces.
I don't swing often
Up
when
the
I do.
bait right there.
That's what we
It's a
have so
111.
far for 5. Hopefully Brian and Matt,
111. We're calling.
hopefully you guys are catching them there like Norman.
Oh gosh, I hammered it. Golly. Yeah, burning it though. It's on. Oh, he come on. No, he's on there. I think I might add 2. Oh, what the heck is that? Smallmouth, baby.
Oh, smallmouth. That's what's jumping after those.
Yeah. Well, not all of them. I think there's a school of everything. This one's not going to help the cause, though, folks. We got all 2-pounders. This one's not big enough.
Not big enough.
These things are like striper. You got to watch out. Especially when they're hooked like that. Whoa. Yeah. He crushed it. Burning it. He crushed it. He crushed it. Golly. Little guy, pretty small mouth. Now we got all 3. Got a large mouth, small mouth, spotted bass. The spotted bass is the biggest one right now.
Yep.
Got him on the big head. Ooh, I see him coming to the boat.
Does he have friends?
Turn away from him. He had friends before.
Huh? No, he got a good head shake. I don't think he's very big. He'll help. Maybe. Not. I don't think he'll beat a 1-3. 1-3? Oh no, it's not a 1-3. I don't think he'll help us. He's 1-6. 1-6. I'm getting ready to look, sir.
I got us to a limit now. Matt's doing all the catching.
I'll put it in anyway. No, we have a 1-9, a 1-10, a 1-8, a 1-9, and 1-11. So it does not help us. 1-6 sucks.
Got him.
I don't know. Yeah. I don't know how big he is. He don't feel very.
Oh, nice one.
No.
2 pounds.
Think so?
Oh, he's gonna help. We might have a 2 even on the board.
God, he swallowed that jig.
You caught the one I lost earlier. I don't feel bad now.
Now the one you lost was way bigger than this. Good God, I can't get him unhooked. There's a problem. His mouth's too little to get my finger in. Good Lord, I can't get him unhooked. Look at that. Jig down the throat.
Yeah, jigging it though. All right, can it be?
Oh, got it.
195. Too
Oh,
small.
this one may call for us, Matty.
They need to grow up. They're long. They got length, huh? Like 16 incher. It's not the right length. Not the right girth.
Got a 112.
Really? That's all he is?
Got a 112.
How big is it?
Gained 3 ounces. 3 ounces at the time. We'll take it. So I caught that fish, and Matt's caught the last couple on a little finesse jig. This is my signature series finesse football jig from Fitzgerald Fishing. Just got a little rage tail crawl on it. I've got this on 12-pound P-line tactical fluorocarbon. Good little bait to get a lot of bites, especially in the fall when you're talking about clear water. Coming for you, Thomas.
Oh gosh. Dude, it freaking hammered it. It's a big. Is it better?
No.
Dude, I freaking hammered it, dude.
Well, it might be bigger than 2 pounds.
I don't know, man. Looks.
Oh.
Oh, maybe. Oh yeah, it's better for sure, dude. There we go. That one will call. That one will call. Yes, sir. Just talking about it. Right along the weed line. Pop! Need that one right there. Here we go. 2.5 exactly. Oh, dude, they're crushing bait right there. No, bird. 2.5.
Fat, pretty. But he's not gonna help.
There we go.
1.9. He's fat.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
We need 2 pots. We need to catch the most pots.
That one just. I'm talking about crushed it. Hop.
1.6. Now it went to 1.4. He's a 1.6. So. He does not help. The new P-Line X braid, Spin X braid, excuse me. You see the fluorescent orange and blues on there. Brian and I were talking about how good this stuff casts, and it is probably the smoothest casting braid that I've ever put on a spinning reel.
It is. What I like about it is the color difference.
Well, you know, yeah, and
Out here on a sunny day, so the way they design the line is there's 2 different colors. You've got a low-vis blue for cloudy conditions that really stands out in clouds, and you've got a high-vis orange that just glows fluorescent orange when it's sunny like it is today. And it's amazing how well you can see that line under any condition, which is something no other company has on the market. All right, I'm going back to the jig.
and it's cool to be able to watch, like, you know, when you're throwing a wacky worm or something around dock or something like that. If you're a line watcher, this changes your whole game as far as line watching goes, just to detect the strike. Orange might be my new favorite color braid. Remember that one he had with all terrain tackle?
Oh yeah.
The Moino football or whatever it's called. Yeah, that's the jig and flip it. it hit the bottom.
Oh, that's old good one too. That's the one we're looking for. That's the one we're looking for. Uh-oh,
Got us a little low head.
That's a little better.
A little better.
A little better.
I don't always catch them, but when I do.
Matt, it came through in a big, big way.
The little bluff bank paid off. He ain't quite 3, I don't think, but it's close.
He's a whole lot bigger than a 1/8.
Way bigger. Uh-oh, we got us a 3-1.
Heck yeah, baby.
3-1. Two more of them, we might have a shot, Brian.
Let's do it.
3-1. He's so pretty.
They're
They're very elusive on this lake, by the way.
We got a limit now. Now we're going head hunting the rest of the day. That was just the bite we needed.
All right. Hold on, Brian. I'm gonna get a pic for social.
Yeah. You want me to take it on my phone?
Yeah, we'll take a selfie. See this while you're swinging. It looked like a 6-pounder.
Text it, Thomas.
I should. I will. I'll text it to him. Well, that one was sitting in a foot of water.
Yeah. Yeah, I think we need to do this the rest of the day and try to catch 2 or 3 big ones.
Yeah. Fished till about 7.
Do what?
Said fish till about 7.
Well, no, I mean, if I feel like we get 1 or 2 more 3-pounders, we got a chance anyway.
Yeah, I gotta put that one in.
That's good times.
What'd I say it was? A 3-1?
3-1.
All right, got a 3-1 entered. 3-1. Thomas immediately, you know, Thomas, it takes you usually like 2 days to respond to a text when we text you. But when we're in a competition here and I text you a picture of a fish, you immediately respond. What's up with that?
I get nervous.
Thomas hadn't sent me any leader lines, so I don't have any good leader. Write that down.
Sabotage is making us use all your stuff.
He goes to Clear Lake, tells us it's some other lake.
Oh, that will be bad if he says, nah, we're just messing. We went to Clear Lake. We had 39 times. That'd be messed up right there.
It would, actually. It would. I fed it to that one too. Like,
You did.
literally. This is 10-pound tactical that's been on there since the classic.
Since when?
The classic. No, St. Lawrence.
I gotta eat now.
You don't have any of that leader line yet? Oh, yes. Brian, get my jig head back. Good one? Usually when he says, nah, 4-pounder. Is it a 2 even? Is it a 110? Nah. What?
Still gonna buy. I still got it.
See? Oh my gosh. Wow. Was he on the outside edge of the rock?
Nah, he's right on top of it.
Swimming all around. Spot locks?
I don't think I did.
Is he that damn big? I'll kick your butt.
Got him. Got one. He's long, but he's not fat like the ones at the dam. Let's see what we got.
What's in his mouth?
The shad.
Leave it in there. You want to stuff some tungsten in him? Bryan, hold him.
Oh, we got a 2 even.
2-pounder.
2 even. Lock it.
We are calling.
Hey, that gives us half a pound.
I'm going to the worm.
That gives us half a pound.
By the way,
We just gained a half a pound
I have to log that one.
on the 4-inch Demiki Stinger.
Surprise, surprise.
Switched over to the spinning rod. We caught the last couple on a jig, and we quit getting bit, so picked up a little spinning rod with my Spin-X braid and my 9-pound Spin-X fluorocarbon leader, which is a cool little deal P-Line just came out with. Instead of having to buy a whole 250-yard spool, it comes in 50-yard leader size spools. But they have the odd sizes that work great on a spinning rod: 5-pound, 7-pound, 9-pound, and 11-pound. And the cool thing about it is the 9-pound Spin-X fluorocarbon leader is a smaller diameter than most 8-pound fluorocarbons on the market. So you get higher pound test strength in a smaller line, which is going to be better for finesse fishing. So good stuff.
I have it logged, by the way. Huh?
Oh, ooh. Ooh.
He said, "Oh,
Ooh, for real.
really?
Yeah.
Yeah, he'll help. He'll help. Yeah, he'll help. That might be a 2.
Oh, oh. The jig is going to save the day.
That's a chunky one there. All our fish from that point move to this point.
Evidently. 2 even.
I'm going to log this one, okay?
2 even. We got 2 2-pounders now. Yes. We got an hour left. The little signature series Bryan Thrift football jig coming through. Clutch. Going for another one. I gotta finish my smoke.
Well, I quit.
Do what?
I quit.
Matt's done.
I'm a quitter. I'm 110% a quitter.
How you doing? You hold the spinning rod and you're good with the Spin-X braid, and I'll hold that one would be good. Three, 1, 2.
112 and 111. Hold on.
You didn't record our last 2 even.
I know, but we know we had it.
112, 111, 2 even, 2 even.
So we got 4. We got 7-1, and then
23. That's 3, 7.
is that right?
Yep, 7, 1, and 3. So we got 10, 8.
10-8.
10, 8.
10.
Well, that's the end of the very first ever East versus West Coast shootout with Thomas and his brother Nick. And we could only muster up 10 pounds and 8 ounces. So I don't know what they've got yet, but I'm going to call them and find out. You think we should call them now?
Should we mention we spotted them an hour?
We did spot them.
Well, we actually don't know how long they fished today.
We don't.
They may have fished 10 hours.
They
We
may.
fished 7 hours, for the record.
Let's put Thomas on speaker here and see if he tells us the truth. He clutching not out.
Bryan,
What's up,
Tell me
Thomas?
something.
Well, we just wrapped up, and we got you live here with Matt and myself.
All right.
We spotted you an hour. We only fished 7 hours.
Well, no, wait a minute. How long did y'all fish, Thomas?
All right. Well, we, started at around 7:30, somewhere in there. But, we're gonna finish at 3.
So 8 hours, basically.
Yeah.
Oh, so yeah, y'all are still on the water.
I forgot.
about it.
Y'all are 4
y'all
hours
still-
behind us.
So you may be able.
Way behind you. We still got some time here.
So when we tell you what we caught, y'all maybe can just put it on a trailer and leave.
I sure hope so.
Well, we ended up catching probably, I don't know, 10 or 15, and our total weight in the best 5 was 10 pounds 8 ounces.
10 pounds, 8 ounces.
10 8. That's all we could catch.
I think we're really close right now.
Ooh, that's not good, Matt.
No, not
Maybe
good.
we should keep fishing.
Not good. Should we take our extra hour since y'all are gonna fish 8 hours today? Should we take our extra hour?
Well, I mean, if you want to go catch another one, but it's gonna get dark on you here pretty soon.
It is going to get dark on us pretty soon,
Very soon.
and they're not biting very well.
Yeah. Well, you got 10 to 12.
Yeah, we probably caught 10
better
or
than you
15.
thought you might have done, right, out there.
That is very true. That is very true. But we have enjoyed it, and we look forward to seeing what y'all weigh when you wrap it up.
Well, I'll be giving you a call in about 2 hours.
That'll work.
Is there a big fish award?
Well, you're not gonna win with that 1 pounder I saw.
Easy now. I mean, you know all the camera tricks, but it was not a 1 pounder.
Oh, goodness. Well, y'all guys wrap it up and give us a shout back. This has been great. I hope we get to do it again.
Hey, I have one request, Thomas.
Yeah.
When we do it again, can Bryan and I fish in California and y'all fish in North Carolina?
Ooh, that's a good idea.
He's not saying yes, is
Sounds
he?
like
No.
a good challenge, actually.
Okay.
Yeah,
like that.
East versus West mix up.
Yeah, that's right.
The East fishing on.
To Santee Cooper.
That wouldn't have been fair.
Yeah,
Thomas.
that
wouldn't
would have been ugly.
fair. And Matt's off limits there, so I couldn't show him anything.
That's a
anyway.
good point. I forgot we were going there next year.
Off limits. You got a tournament coming up there?
Yeah, you know
Yeah.
Bassmaster Elite Series. Heard of it?
The first one? First one?
No, it's like the third one. It's after the classic. It's like our third regular season event.
Man, that's a long off limits.
Yeah.
As soon as it's announced, same as Bryan's tour. As soon as they're announced, we're off limits.
Oh, man.
All right, I'll tell you what. We're gonna fish our way back to the boat ramp, which is gonna be
you
about.
gotta catch a 5 pounder.
It's about three casts because we're at the boat ramp right now.
We are 62 and a half yards.
8 ounces. That's what it is. 10 pounds, 8 ounces.
Unless I catch a big one in between here and the boat ramp. I don't think Matt's gonna catch it because I'm pretty sure he's given up already.
I quit.
Yeah, he's done. He's done.
Well, thank you for allowing us to do this, and hopefully we'll do it again next time.
Yeah, no, I'm looking forward to it. I'm hoping we can do another one, and you guys are out there on your tours. We'll have to maybe, it might not be you guys in the boat together, but maybe do one against Matt and someone else, and with you, Bryan, and someone you're on tour with. And
Oh yeah, that'd be
able
good.
to do it on lakes around, in the spring when maybe we can catch 20 pounds.
I like it. I like it.
Good. I can pick a different partner. Is what you're saying.
Exactly. You probably seen a picture with him on that lake by now, huh?
Matt did catch the biggest one, so I can't even throw a jab back at him.
I broke one off though.
But I do think of the 5 we scored, I think I caught 4 of them.
Easy.
Oh,
That might be
it's on
close.
video.
You might be right.
I know I caught at
I'll
least
be able
3
to
of them.
tell. You can't lie about these things when it's on video.
No, we had fun. This is our home lake and probably the lake we both know the best out of anywhere in the country. And it's just fickle in the fall. We really had to downsize. We Caught fish on jigs, shaky heads, a blade bait, and a couple on a swim bait. But it was a good day of fall fishing.
Yeah. Awesome. Awesome. Well, man, you're keeping us. I got to get back to fishing. We're gonna catch,
All right.
we're close to
He
10
finally
pounds
caught
right now.
on.
We're about to catch 3 more pounds right here and just blow it away.
He caught on.
Well,
with
good,
it.
yeah, he did. Well, good luck to y'all.
All right, guys. We'll talk to you later.
All right.
I'll give you a call, give you a shout in about 2 hours.
All right.
Bye.
All right, guys, we're on our last spot. We only got a couple more minutes to see if we could upgrade. If not, we're gonna have to call up Matt and Bryan and see how they did and see how we fared. So hopefully we did. Like 1 3-pounder will go a whole long way. So got about 10 minutes. See how we do.
Bryan, what's going on? All right, we just finished up. We got 11.35. We got him. We beat him.
We got him.
Yep. Yep.
Oh
we got
man.
him. Well, that's it. I mean, it's a different body of water, but man, we gave you guys a shot though. 11:35. It was, you know, bite wasn't great, but that was fun, man. We got to do it again. Gonna have to do it again later. All right, we'll call you a little bit later on. Bye.
Should tell him he's got to send us a crankbait with his signature.
yeah, but man, that was fun. We had a good time. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that challenge video. You know, we're looking at doing more, you know, in the springtime, later on, probably next year, just doing some more against other YouTubers, more pro staff guys, and getting out in different bodies of water. You know, maybe doing one from the Delta, maybe going against like Gunnersville or someone from there. But man,
Yeah, it's just fun to get out and, you know, even though we're out here and they're not out here with us on the same body of water, it still feels like a competitive day of fishing, you know, because there's pride on the line. So we're trying to do our best out here, but it wasn't the best day with 11:35. But I mean, we still caught some fish and we were still able to pull out the win. So
right.
It was close, but still able to pull out the win. So all in all, it was a success.
It was a good day. And if you like what you guys saw, please like and subscribe to the channel, because we have more coming and we're always thinking of new things. But we'll see you guys again next time.
Last name. Okay. He heard us. We don't know how to say your last name.
I don't know. You might want to tilt that up just a little bit. Is
Maybe a touch.
I mean, is it wide enough to get us all right there?
I think.
Okay, we'll go with it then.
They only need to see from our boobies down.
Yeah, just a cross shot.
Yeah.
Hey guys, myself and Matt Arey are here filming a East versus West shootout for the bass hookup. It's a cold fall day. We're looking to have some fun, hopefully catch some big largemouth, some big spotted bass. But we're about to get after it, Matt.
Yeah, a little East-West Coast challenge with our boys Thomas and Nick. Nick, wasn't it? Shit. What was it, Nick?
I'll say Thomas and Nick, and then you just talk about
Okay. Was it Nick?
Yeah.
Okay.
You just talk about
I said that and I'm like, if that's wrong, we got to redo it.
Sorry, Thomas. You just talk about. Ready? Take two.